Hey guys, I know we have been all obsessed with the whole tape-ins 90s blowout look. Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the same look but with the closure.
What? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me.
Gotta get straight into the witchcraft. The sponsor for today's video is Yolissa hair. I'm going to be putting all of the hair details in my description box. But you guys know, if you guys have been on this channel for a really long time, you guys know that I don't do frontals anymore. I'm a closure girl at heart, and I will keep being a closure girl until I die. This is how the wig came straight out of the box. I think it was a body wave wig, 22 inches and 180 density. They also sent me their HD lace, which was great. I did have to bleach the knots, and I think I did this process twice because the first time I feel like it wasn't bleached enough. But right now I'm just showing you guys literally like a list of ingredients that we're going to be using throughout the video. And yeah, we have to make the paste. If you guys have been watching wig videos for a long time, I think you guys know how this process goes. But we basically have to make it into a paste and then apply it to the wig, to the lace part of the wigs. I'm pretty sure I let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before washing, but then again, it wasn't enough. So if you guys do this process, make sure to keep it on for a little longer. As you guys can see, it's kind of orange. The lace is orange, and we're going to use the purple shampoo to kind of cancel that out and make it more neutral tones than orange, because we don't want the orange. But then I put on the purple shampoo. I think I waited maybe 20 minutes, and then I washed it off, washed off the wig, did my whole hair mask type of situation. But yeah, I feel like I need a minute to tell you guys how much I love these Diey hair products. I use the hair mask, the shampoo, the heat treatment. They're so good. If you guys have not tried them yet, you should definitely try them out, because they're literally gonna change your wig game. And I'm not kidding. I am not playing with y'all. Then I'm gonna pluck the wig a little more. Honestly, I was stubborn and didn't want to put in the clips, like the wig clips, but I ended up learning my lesson and putting the clips at the end. You guys will see it. But plucking is honestly to each his own. However you want your wig to look, however you want it to be empty or full, that's really up to you. See, I'm putting the clips, girl. Anyways, I'm gonna put some edge control on basically the edges of the wig, and also in the middle on the part. I don't know if you guys can see, but I feel like the wig is a little orange, like the part and everything is a little orange. But don't worry, I'm gonna fix that at the end when I'm gonna install it. It's not gonna look that orange. Now, this is the trick I learned. Don't say that your good sis didn't put you on, because I did. I got this iron from Walmart, and it works so much better than a hot comb. I don't know why, and it's so small. Like, whenever I pack, I can use it for clothes and for wigs. It's great. I'm living so good. But then I'm going to be using this basically wax stick to flatten out the hair and iron it even more, and kind of part and iron and wax stick. It's just like a repeated process. But yeah, then I decided to kind of fix the part a little more and add some black eyeshadow to make a whoop, like a line, a straight line. But yeah, then we're gonna get to the actual hair. I used this heat protective because I didn't have my Diey one. I wish I had this Diey one. It would have worked so much better. But this one did the job. It was okay. So another trick I learned was that you have to straighten the hair before you curl it. Even if you want to do, I don't know, tight curls or wavy curls or whatever you want to do, it has to be straight first. So this is what I'm doing. Honestly, I wish I took a little more time straightening it, but it's fine. It turned out great nevertheless. But then we're gonna get to the install. This is your model for the day, aka me. I hope you guys are not tired of me modeling, because I'm gonna be modeling everything. I got tiny braids so I could keep them for a long time and wear wigs on top of them. If you tell me that's not women in STEM. Anyways, I'm going to be tinting the lace with these two Ruby Kiss foundations. I noticed that mixing these two gave me my perfect shade. Listen, take a minute. Listen, look at this. I think we have to zoom it in and really look at this material. I didn't even glue anything on yet. Nothing is done. But can you guys see the potential? How melted this is gonna look when we finish? Anyways, I'm going to be brushing out the hair and getting ready for the curls. I'm going to be doing some really big curls on this because I really want the layered blowout look. I don't want tight curls at all. But before that, I think I fixed the part a little bit. As you guys can see, my roots are a little orange, but I kind of like it. I kind of feel like it kind of matches with my skin tone. What am I talking about, curls? I skipped a whole step. Before even doing the curls, we have to cut the lace and glue it down. If you guys know me, you guys know that I don't really like glue on my wigs. I prefer Got2b because one thing about me, I'm gonna wear a wig for a day and then take it out. And I just don't want the stress and the rubbish. I don't want it. It's really no stress. So I'm taking out my wigs every day. But this is me getting excited because I know it's gonna look good. I also looked at the box and saw that they gave me a headband, and I was really excited about that because my headband was dead, and this made honestly a really good difference. I was really happy. As you guys can see, I'm going to be spritzing my Got2b free spray, my favorite lace adhesive, because I can just take it off after a day, and that's it for me. That's what works for me. Aside from that, I'm basically just gonna comb out the hair to make sure that nothing sticks that should not stick. And then I'm going to be using these little scissors or whatever they're called and cut me some layers. I ended up cutting some a little shorter after. And now it's onto the fun part. I'm going to be using this barrel to have basically some really big curls. I actually don't use this barrel a lot because I don't know, I feel like it looks better on long hair if you want really like not defined curls, and so far this is my first time actually trying out this look. So this barrel came in handy, and it's the Babyliss titanium collection. This is basically how I'm doing a curl. I think I'm just going to show you guys one curl and then speed up the process because no one wants to see me curl my whole head. I know you don't. You don't have to admit it, but I know you don't. But this is basically the technique. You just wrap the hair around the barrel coming up and down, and then wait a couple seconds, hold it. This is really important. You have to hold the curl before it falls, and then let it fall. And that's pretty much it. This is a good TikTok behind the scenes. This is me filming this exact TikTok that you guys see on the screen. And I'm even going to use this time to promote my TikTok and my social media. If you guys are not following me yet, you should definitely follow me because we're having a good time over there. I know you want to be part of the party, so you should follow. Aside from that, I'm going to be taking off the bandana, basically brushing out the hair. I decided not to do baby hairs for this look because I wanted to make it look as natural as possible. But then I got to my bangs. The technique for this is to curl them away from your face, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. So this is basically the final look. I have to fluff out the hair a little bit more, style it and shaping to my head. But this was basically it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you guys like this wig, the link and everything is going to be in my description box. And aside from that, I will see you guys next week in my upcoming video. Bye guys.
They be like, smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why?